What's up guys, Megbon here and welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to create a bowling ball in Blender. So before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. So guys, thank you so much. So without any further ado, let's get started. So Shift A and add a cube. Now let's go to edit mode, right click and subdivide it. Number of cut 9. Now press Shift Alt S. Now let's select this face. You can hold Shift to select. Now press X and delete only the face. Now let's add a subdiv. Level viewport 3. Now let's right click and shade it smooth, and now let's add a solidify modifier. Let's increase the thickness. Now let's go back to edit mode and select this edge. You can hold Shift now. Now let's scale it. Select this edge also and let's scale it a little bit. Now let's apply a subdiv, solidify also. Now let's go back to edit mode, select this edge and let's press F to fill it. The same thing right here and right here. Now our modelization is ready. It's now time to add a material. Now let's go to shader editor. Let's add a new material. You can use this texture, but you can also use your image texture of your choice. Let's take the color and put it into base color. Now let's take the color and put it into roughness. Now let's add a color ramp. Let's change the black color to white. Now let's add a bump. And now let's take the color and put it into height. And let's take the normal and put it into normal. Now let's decrease the strength. And that's it guys. This is how you can create a bowling ball in Blender. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.